auto repair crew, welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. If you missed last week's video, go ahead and check it out. We talked about oil changes, one of the most crucial forms of preventative maintenance that you can do for your car. And today, we're building on that idea. While an oil change is vital, your car relies on a whole system of other fluids that are crucial for it to run smoothly and safely. So let's get right into some of the most common questions that we get about these often overlooked fluids.
I know oil changes are important, but what are some of the other fluids in my car that I should be paying attention to?
That's a great question, and it's something a lot of drivers overlook. Beyond oil and brake fluid, your car relies on several other fluids to function properly. We're talking about engine coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and even differential or transfer case fluids if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle. These are the unsung heroes of your car's preventative maintenance.
Okay, let's start with coolant. What exactly does engine coolant do, and how often should I be changing it?
Your engine's coolant or antifreeze does two very important jobs. It prevents your engine from overheating in the summer and keeps it from freezing in the winter. It also contains additives that prevent rust and corrosion in your cooling system. Over time, this fluid degrades. When it does, it can no longer protect your engine, which can lead to serious damage like a blown head gasket. We recommend you check your owner's manual for specifics, but generally, a coolant flush is needed every 30 to 60,000 miles.
I heard transmission fluid is important. What does it do, and how often should I get a transmission fluid change?
That's an excellent question, and it's a critical part of your car. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your transmission. It lubricates the gears, helps cool the system, and allows your car to shift smoothly. When that fluid gets old, it can lead to problems like rough shifting or slipping gears. To answer your second question, the service interval varies, but you should always consult with your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation. We're actually going to be dedicating an entire video to preventative maintenance for your transmission because it's such a huge topic. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that one.
My steering feels a little stiff sometimes. Is that related to the power steering fluid?
It absolutely could be. Power steering fluid is a hydraulic fluid that assists your power steering pump, making it easy for you to turn the steering wheel. As the fluid degrades, it can lead to increased wear on your pump and steering rack. Some red flags that may indicate a problem are stiff steering, groaning noises when you turn, or a loss of steering assist. Checking its level and condition is a vital part of your car maintenance.
So I have an all-wheel drive car. Are there other fluids I should be aware of?
Yes, for all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicles, you have a differential and transfer case. These components have their own fluids that lubricate the gears. These fluids experience immense friction, especially with towing or off-roading. When off-roading or towing, these service intervals become much shorter and more frequent. Ignoring them can lead to costly differential or transfer case repair. So if you drive an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicle, these are definitely fluids that need regular attention.
So the main takeaway is that all of these fluids are a vital part of preventative maintenance, not just oil and brake fluid, right?
Exactly.
Each fluid in your car plays a critical role in the overall health and longevity. Overlooking regular checks is like ignoring a warning sign. Minor issues can quickly escalate into major, expensive auto repair. By being proactive and maintaining all of your fluids, you're investing in your vehicle's future and ensuring it stays safe and reliable. If you're ready for a complete fluid check or need expert automotive service, come visit us. Our skilled technicians at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions are here to ensure your vehicle gets the precise care it needs. We have 4 convenient locations in Berks County, Pennsylvania, in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and now Wyomissing. Don't wait for a problem to occur. Schedule your appointment today to keep your car running at its best. Thanks for watching.